Welcome myascholars.com. Today we will have few examples from accusative case. Let's start. So all these bold letters in these examples are bold words and basically are objects. First example is the Frau heiratet den Mann. The woman marries the man. So you have object here den Mann, basically their noun, masculine noun. So we write there into then in object or in accusative case. Eine Frau heiratet einen Mann. So this is a indefinite articles. A woman marries a man. First example is with definite articles. This is with indefinite articles. Highlighted one is basically object. Sie heiratet ihn. She marries him. So this is also an example with personal pronoun. So the highlighted one is for masculine noun, and that is personal pronoun from accusative case. The first one is from nominative case because this is a subject. Ali hat ein Fahrrad. Ali has a bicycle. So why I write here ein? Because this is a neuter noun. Thus Fahrrad is a basically article. So we write here ein Fahrrad. Okay, so the next one is mein Freund hat einen Computer. My friend has a computer. So this is your object, einen computer. So I can also understand, okay, this is a masculine noun. That's why we write here einen. So this is a their noun. Ich suche den Schlüssel. So I'm searching for the key. The highlighted one is your object, and that is masculine noun. That's why I write here then. Der Lehrer hat ein Auto. The teacher has a car. Why write we here ein? Eine, for example, here that I would consider as a feminine noun, or einen, like in this example, ein computer, that we consider as a masculine noun. So this is a neuter noun. That's how you write neuter noun in object. Ich treffe den Arzt im Krankenhaus. I meet the doctor at the hospital. So this is your object. Then, mein Freund hat einen Computer. My friend has a computer. The last one is Kollegen trifft das Mädchen. The colleague meets the girl. So this is a short video about how can you write object in German language. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.